assignment where we'll be using a dataset for reinforcement learning, where both the input and the preferred and the rejected output is present. So basically, it's just a dataset which has these three columns, and then we're gonna do the reinforcement learning on that. So as you can see, the first step is like to do all of the installations. So this is what we've done previously too, so I won't go into the depth of whatever we're installing or why they're required. So these are all the installs that we do, and this is all about the imports. So this is the model that we're taking, SmolLM2-135M instruct. So this is a database that we'll be using, and then we kind of reduced all of these parameters because it was taking a lot of time for this to run. So I figured we could like do a little bit of hyperparameter tuning so that it could run fast and would still get like good outputs. So this is just the sanity check where we're doing the GPU check, and then this is where we're loading the policy. So yeah, this is the policy and the tokenizer that we're going to do, and you can see that all of these steps are completed over here. And then after that we are doing the DPO, or like whatever reinforcement learning thing, and then we're truncating the text. We're doing a to chat and also trimming the answer, and also like rebuilding the map data set with a strict truncation. And after that we're just checking we're doing a sanity check where no prompt is exceeding like maximum length, just to like make it easier for us to train, and no target exceeds max length. So this is done. I think we gave the max length as some 700, 800, around that number. And this is the correct like the DPO setting that we have to do. And this is the trainer that we're using. And then if you see prompt chosen, rejected, these were the required this is what was required from the collab objective. And yeah, the trainer is done. This is the training part which took a lot of time, around, yeah, you can see 40 minutes, but yeah, it took about 40 minutes for like 200 steps. And then examples for 10,000 examples that I took, and then batch size is 2. And then I didn't use any parallel GPUs, so probably why it took so much time. And then this is I'm just saving the LoRa adapters, and then this is where we're doing the merge part. And then here, this is a chat prompt. So once we pass an input to this, we'll get the output. So this is the first example. Explain the difference between shallow copy and deep copy. So shallow copy is a copy of an object that creates a copy of the object's attributes and methods, but does not create a copy of the object's data, etc, 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 and all that. And then it tells us what uh, like the deep copy is. And then the second one is write a short Python function that checks if a string is a valid palindrome, including ignoring non-alphabetic numericals. So if you see, this is the one. So if it is not a string, then return false, and if the reverse of the string is also the same, then it's going to return that. And then yeah, this is the example for that. So yeah, this is about using UnSloth for reinforcement learning with preference data. Thank you.